In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join any online class without a code in Google Meet, a complete guide for 2025. First, let's head over to the Google Meet web page. If you're not familiar with the platform, Google Meet is accessible via your web browser, and it's one of the most popular tools for video conferencing, especially for educational purposes. Now, once you land on the Google Meet page, locate the Sign In button. Click on it, which will prompt you to log into your Google account. If you don't have one, creating a Google account is free and straightforward and provides access to a host of useful features. Upon clicking Sign In, enter your Google account credentials in the designated fields and then click Next. Ensure that your credentials are correct to prevent any hiccups during login. This step is crucial because Google Meet requires an authenticated account to manage and join meetings, which helps maintain security and authenticity in virtual settings. Before diving deeper, we need to discuss Google Meet's access rules. Typically, you can't join a Google Meet session without a meeting code or an invite link. However, if the organizer has added your email to the invite list, you might have direct access without a specific code. So, confirming this with the class organizer or host can be a time saver. One of the easiest ways to join a class without needing a code is through Google Calendar. If your class session has been scheduled there, access your Google Calendar and locate the event. Once you click on it, you should see a Join with Google Meet button. Clicking this will take you directly to the session, eliminating the need to input any codes. Another convenient option is joining from an email invitation. Check your Gmail inbox where you might have received an email invite to the session. These invites often include a Join with Google Meet button. Make sure to click on that button to enter the class directly from your email without hassle. If you receive a direct invitation link via email or other messaging platforms, clicking the link will open Google Meet in your browser. It's important to ensure you are signed in with the correct email address, typically the one that the invitation was sent to, as this determines your entry authorization to the meeting. So, there you have it. Straightforward methods to join online classes on Google Meet even if you don't have a specific code. Whether you use Google Calendar, email invitations, or direct links, these tips should help you navigate the process effortlessly. Keep these strategies in mind to avoid any last-minute disruptions as you dive into your online learning experiences. Happy learning, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.